So here you see my Bosch self-cleaning condenser tumble dryer, and maybe you have the same, and then you know that with all these programs the best working one is the mix one. That's the fastest one, and the program now is just about to finish. This video is made to show you how you clean up the filter. I've seen that it's collected a lot of dust. It's still working, but it's good to know how to clean the filter from this machine, because it's one of these errors that comes up on frequent basis. So I'm going to open this and we just take a look. So you can see that I loaded the machine quite heavily this time, and it still works. Well, I can tell that here's the filter, and it contains a lot of lint and dust. So I'm going to take this one out, and then that's just the first section. We also have this one, which is the extra collector, and it's also starting to collect a lot of lint from the clothes. If you don't clean up this one on a regular basis, then this would get down towards the sensors that are sitting down there, and down here it should be completely dust free. Now I have to wipe off these edges here to get rid of that so it doesn't fall in there, but here we go. So the way to do this, first one is very simple. What you do is that you take a little bit of water onto your fingertips, and then you just pull around and collect all the lint like this, and it sort of clings onto itself, so it's very easy to get off. And then you can roll it up like a small ball like this. This is all the things that comes from your clean clothes being removed while you tumble dry your clothes. This is maybe sometimes why you shouldn't tumble dry your clothes as well. So that's the first one. The second one here, this is the one that contains a lot, as you see. Wow, that's a massive amount. The same thing with this. It's like a carpet of lint from your clothes. This is what comes out from about 5 to 10 washing machines. So we remove that, and that goes into the trash. Now, since this is all plastic, the rest of it we clean off with water. You won't want that lint to go down the drain. So all you need to do is to rinse it off, like I do here, and then once it's clean, you let it sit to dry, like this, until you come home and you're done with your day at work. Now for removing the dust that you have in here and avoid having it falling down into the machine, you can take one of these microcloth fabrics that sucks up the dust, and you run it along the edge, and that saves you getting it into the machine. And there you go for that. So if you take your phone and you put the flash on, then you can shine down into your tumble dryer to see if there's any lint fibers down there. It is actually possible to reach down quite far, and this way you won't have any troubles with those sensors. I've cleaned up down here several times and fixed all the errors. Next thing we do is that we take our empty and dry filters, put them back in here, and that's all.